back to my channel. Here in this channel we'll talk about relaxed hair growth, protective styling, and so much more concerning the hair topic in general. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, consider subscribing to join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to put my hair in single braids using just my hair, no extensions whatsoever. And so sorry about the lighting. I'm actually filming this video at night, and it was not my intention to film it at night, but today has been packed with hair activities. Like, I've been working on this hair since morning. Okay, let me not even say anything. You guys are going to see everything in my hair vlog, because I've been working on this hair since morning and now I'm still working on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the process because I am so tired. So this is how my hair looks right now. I just did a length check, which should be my last video. So if you've not seen that, I'll make sure to link it down in the description box below so that you can check it out, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking about my length, asking me to do a length check. So like I said, I'll make sure to link it down below in case you missed it. So I am just going to get started. So I'm going to do it in sections, I think. I'm going to do it in sections, probably put my hair in 4 sections, and yeah. So that's it, enough talking because I'm so tired. Let's just get this over and done with. So guys, we are finally done after so long. I'm so relieved that I'm done because this hair literally stressed me out. So I don't know if I said it earlier in this video that I am currently 8 months post relaxer and I'm supposed to relax my hair now, but since I won't be able to do that now due to reasons I mentioned in other videos, I decided to take down my old protective style, wash my hair and install a new protective style. So this is actually going to mark the beginning of a new protective style challenge. It may not be as long as my last protective style, which I carried for 3.5 months. This may last for just 1 or 2 months, depending on when I finally decide to relax my hair. So stay tuned. And if you missed my last challenge, this is another opportunity for you to partake in this challenge. Okay, so make sure to drop down in the comment section down below if you are joining in this challenge so that we can officially welcome you. So yeah, guys, this is the final result. Let me just show you guys the length of my braids without extensions. So this is it at the front. So yeah guys, that's how my braids look like right now. I'm gonna be coming back and giving you guys updates, like weekly updates or every 2 weeks on this protective style challenge till I decide to take them down and relax my hair. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you've watched this video this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.